Hey adventurers, welcome to the land of the rising sun. Get ready to dive into Japan's culture, food, and unforgettable sights, from ancient traditions to futuristic cities. One moment you're wandering peaceful shrines, the next, you're in a city buzzing with robots and technology. Sip matcha in a centuries-old tea house, then grab coffee from a robot barista. Get ready for a journey full of surprises and contrasts. Getting around Japan is a breeze thanks to their world-class public transportation. Forget renting a car. Japan's trains and subways are fast, punctual, and connect you everywhere you want to go. Let's talk bullet trains. Japan's Shinkansen are legendary. Hop on in Tokyo, and in a couple of hours you're in Kyoto, watching the countryside fly by. Spacious seats, big windows, and smooth rides make it the best way to travel. Pro tip: grab a Japan Rail Pass for unlimited rides and big savings. Regional trains also offer a closer look at local life and stunning scenery. Once you've tried the bullet train, it's time for the metro. Tokyo's subway is color-coded, clearly signed, and easy to use, even for first-timers. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Locals are friendly and happy to assist. And if you're hungry, vending machines everywhere have you covered with snacks and drinks. Now let's dive into Japanese culture, where respect and harmony are everything. You'll notice it in daily interactions, meticulous work, and a deep reverence for nature. Harmony shapes relationships and the environment, creating a peaceful vibe. As a traveler, be mindful, follow local customs, and always be polite. A little respect goes a long way in Japan. Bowing is Japan's universal greeting. Forget handshakes. A simple bow shows respect, gratitude, or apology. The deeper the bow, the greater the respect. Just follow the locals' lead. You'll see bowing everywhere, and it quickly becomes second nature. Sincere bows are always appreciated, no matter the occasion. Experience omotenashi, Japan's unique spirit of hospitality. It's heartfelt service, attention to detail, and a warm welcome everywhere you go. From luxury hotels to ramen shops, you'll feel genuinely cared for. Embrace the kindness. It's a highlight of any trip to Japan. Ready your taste buds. Japanese cuisine is an adventure. From delicate sashimi to hearty noodles, every dish is crafted with care and tradition. Dining in Japan is about savoring flavors and the experience itself. Grab your chopsticks and get ready for a food journey you'll never forget. Sushi and ramen are just the beginning. Try tempura, crispy golden bites of seafood and veggies, or slurp up thick udon or nutty soba noodles. Don't miss Japanese curry, often served with rice and crispy cutlets for ultimate comfort. Japan's street food is a must-try. Sample takoyaki, octopus balls with savory sauce, or okonomiyaki, a savory pancake loaded with toppings. Yakitori skewers, grilled over charcoal, are packed with smoky flavor. Street stalls and markets are where you'll find Japan's boldest flavors. Welcome to Tokyo, a city where ancient temples meet futuristic skylines. Start in Shibuya, where the famous scramble crossing pulses with energy. Find peace in the Imperial Palace Gardens or cruise the river for city views. Explore Harajuku and Shinjuku for fashion, quirky cafes, and nightlife. Tokyo rewards curiosity. Get lost, discover, and embrace the unexpected. Next stop, Kyoto, Japan's cultural heart. Experience tea ceremonies, bamboo forests, and ancient temples. Walk through the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine's red torii gates and feel history all around you. Stroll Gion's historic streets, spot geishas, and find zen in tranquil gardens. Kyoto invites you to slow down, savor the serenity, and connect with tradition. Our journey through Japan takes us now to Hiroshima, a city forever etched in history, a place of profound significance and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Here, amidst the bustling streets and vibrant culture, lies a story of tragedy, remembrance, and hope. A visit to Hiroshima is a deeply moving experience, a reminder of the devastating power of conflict and the importance of peace. Begin your journey of remembrance at the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, a somber yet serene space dedicated to the victims of the atomic bombing. Visit the iconic atomic bomb dome, a skeletal structure left standing as a chilling reminder of the devastation, and pay your respects at the Children's Peace Monument adorned with thousands of origami cranes, symbols of peace and hope. However, Hiroshima is more than just a city defined by its past. Today, it stands as a symbol of peace and reconciliation, a thriving metropolis with a vibrant culture and welcoming spirit. Explore the bustling streets, sample local delicacies like Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki, and engage with the locals, known for their warmth and resilience. A visit to Hiroshima is a journey that will stay with you long after you leave. It's a reminder of the fragility of peace, the importance of remembrance, and the enduring strength of humanity. Prepare to be awestruck, adventurers, as we venture beyond the bustling cities and into the breathtaking natural beauty of Japan. From the iconic snow-capped peak of Mount Fuji to the serene beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom, Japan's landscapes are a feast for the senses. Get ready to hike through ancient forests, soak in natural hot springs, and witness the dramatic beauty of volcanic landscapes. No trip to Japan is complete without at least catching a glimpse of Mount Fuji, the country's highest and most recognizable peak. This majestic stratovolcano, often shrouded in mist and clouds, has been a source of artistic inspiration for centuries and holds a special place in Japanese culture. Whether you choose to hike to the summit, admire its reflection in Lake Kawaguchiko, or simply marvel at its grandeur from afar, Mount Fuji is a sight that will leave a lasting impression. But Japan's natural beauty extends far beyond Mount Fuji. In spring, the country transforms into a sea of pink as cherry blossoms, known as sakura, burst into bloom. Join the locals for a Hanami picnic under the blossoms, or take a stroll through a park adorned with these delicate flowers. It's a truly magical experience, a celebration of nature's fleeting beauty. For a different kind of natural wonder, head north to the island of Hokkaido, known for its dramatic volcanic landscapes, pristine lakes, and abundance of wildlife. Hike to the summit of Mount Asahi, explore the turquoise waters of the Blue Pond, or go bear watching in Shiratoko National Park. Calling all shopaholics, trendsetters, and souvenir hunters, get your wallets ready because Japan is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from high-end fashion and cutting-edge electronics to traditional crafts and quirky souvenirs you won't find anywhere else. Get ready to shop till you drop. Let's start with Tokyo's Ginza district, known for its upscale department stores, designer boutiques, and sleek flagship stores. This is where you'll find the latest fashion trends, luxurious cosmetics, and exquisite jewelry. Even if you're not a big spender, it's worth a visit just to window shop and soak up the sophisticated atmosphere. But Japan's shopping scene is about more than just luxury brands. For a more alternative and youth-driven experience, head to Harajuku, where you'll find a kaleidoscope of colors, styles, and subcultures. Think vintage clothing stores, independent designers, and quirky cafes, all set against a backdrop of vibrant street art. This is the place to express your individuality and discover one-of-a-kind treasures. And don't forget about Japan's traditional crafts, from delicate ceramics and intricate woodblock prints to hand-painted fans and exquisite kimonos. These souvenirs are not only beautiful but also carry a piece of Japanese history and culture. Look for them in specialized shops, department stores, or local markets. Get ready to party, adventurers, because Japan knows how to celebrate. Throughout the year, the country comes alive with vibrant festivals known as Matsuri, each offering a unique glimpse into Japanese culture and traditions. From ancient rituals and colorful parades to lively street food stalls and dazzling fireworks displays, attending a Matsuri is an experience you won't forget. If you're visiting in summer, don't miss the Gion Matsuri in Kyoto, one of Japan's most famous festivals. This month-long celebration features massive, elaborately decorated floats, traditional music and dance performances, and a lively atmosphere that draws crowds from all over the world. It's a chance to witness the heart and soul of Kyoto's cultural heritage. For a winter wonderland experience, head north to Sapporo for the Sapporo Snow Festival, where you'll be greeted by towering snow sculptures, ice slides, and a magical atmosphere. This world-renowned event attracts millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at the intricate artistry of the snow sculptures and enjoy the festive atmosphere. But Japan's festivals are not limited to these grand events. Throughout the year you'll find smaller, local festivals celebrating everything from the changing seasons and local deities to historical events and agricultural harvests. Keep an eye out for posters and announcements, and don't hesitate to ask locals about upcoming festivals in the area. Remember, attending a Matsuri is about more than just watching from the sidelines. It's about immersing yourself in the energy, trying the local street food, and connecting with the spirit of celebration. So, put on your happy face, grab a festive snack, and get ready to experience the joy and vibrancy of Japanese festivals. So there you have it, adventurers. We've journeyed through the heart of Japan, from the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, from the culinary delights of street food stalls to the breathtaking beauty of Mount Fuji. We've explored ancient traditions, embraced modern marvels, and hopefully ignited a spark of wanderlust within you. But remember, this is just a taste of what Japan has to offer. Every corner you turn, every interaction you have, every bite you savor, will reveal a new layer of this fascinating and multifaceted country. It's a place that stays with you long after you've returned home. Its beauty lingering in your memories, its lessons etched in your heart. So go forth, adventurers, and embrace the unknown. Don't be afraid to get lost in translation, to try new things, to step outside your comfort zone. Let Japan surprise you, challenge you, and ultimately captivate you with its unique blend of tradition and modernity, serenity, and excitement. Remember that spirit of omotenashi we talked about? Let it guide you. Embrace the warmth of the Japanese people, and allow yourself to be swept away by the magic of this incredible country. Japan is calling adventurers, and it's time to answer that call. Pack your bags, grab your chopsticks, and get ready for an experience that will stay with you long after you've said sayonara. Whether you're seeking cultural immersion, culinary adventures, or simply a chance to escape the ordinary, Japan has something for everyone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, inspiring destinations, and exciting adventures from around the globe. We've got a world of wonder to explore together, and we can't wait to share it with you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Let's spread the love for Japan and inspire others to embark on their own unforgettable journeys. Until next time, adventurers, happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with delicious food, breathtaking sights, and memories that last a lifetime. Sayonara for now.